Hi friends, welcome to Softcode. I hope you are enjoying this course. In the previous video, we have seen about the style attribute. Now, in this video, we will play with fonts. So, in this video, we will see about a specialized tag in the HTML called font tag. Let's open the VS Code. I have opened a HTML, basic.html, and I will take the basic structure of HTML by pressing exclamatory mark as I previously told in all the videos. So let me change the title of this font description. In the previous videos you may have seen two tags known as small tag and the large tag. With those tags you can set the height of the text in two modes, which you can set to the smaller one or to the larger one. But in the website we have to set so many different sizes of the fonts so that it can increase the readability. So today I have brought a new tag for you known as font tag. So let's create a paragraph. So here the font tag is denoted as font. You have to just type font. A font tag has three attributes. The one is size attribute, the second is color attribute, and third is the face attribute. Using the font tag, we can change the text, color, size, and the face. Let's see one by one. Suppose I will make a sentence known as this is first. So let's change the size of the sentence. Size is equals to. So size attribute is a numerical attribute. Whatever the number you give, based on that number, the size of the font will be decided by the browser. So let me write 4. Let me open this in live server. You can see the font size is increased. So if you want to compare, let's create another paragraph. Font. So I will write this is second. Okay, let's open this in live server. You can see this font has size is equals to 4, but this font has a default size. So with the using of font size, you can change the size of the sentence. Suppose write size equals to 6 and open this in live server. You can see. I hope you are getting the font tag and the size attribute. So there is another attribute known as color attribute. Let's write color is equals to red and open this in live server. You can see the color of the sentence has been changed. Okay, suppose I want to change the color. Color is equals to green, and when I open this in live server, the color of the second sentence is changed to green color. So there is another advantage of the font tag. Based on the size of the first sentence, automatically we can make the text to the another height. I mean, we can set the relative size comparing to the first one. Suppose if I write here +1, as well as the +1, it means the size of the second sentence is 1 more greater than 4. Let me open this in live server. You can see the size of the first sentence is 4, whereas the size of the second sentence is 1 greater than the 4. It means the size of the second sentence is 5. Okay, I hope you are getting the relative size attribute. Suppose if I give here +2, then the size of the second sentence will be 2 more than the first sentence. It means now the size of the second sentence is 6. So let me open this in live server. You can see the, the size of the first sentence is 4, whereas the size of the second sentence is 6. It means it is 2 more greater than the 4. Now I want the sentence to be little bit smaller than the first sentence. So here I can use minus sign, and whatever the value to be decreased you have to write. Suppose I will write -2. So if you open this in live server, you can see the size of the second sentence is decreased comparing to the first sentence. Okay, I hope you got the relative attribute of the size. So let's go for the third attribute, the face attribute. So let's write a new paragraph P, and I will write the font tag. Now I will write a new sentence. This is first sentence. Now I will try to change the size of the text. Let me use the size attribute, and I will write the text size as 6, and I will give a color as green. Let's write the face attribute as it is denoted as face. I will give as Comic Sans family. Okay, so it is denoted as Comic Sans MS. Okay, let's open this in live server. You can see the font family of this sentence has been changed to Comic Sans MS, and note that the font family name is a case sensitive one. It means if you write another letter instead of the comic, or it should be cosmic, then you won't get the result. I hope you got the face attribute. Browser never supports some font families. It means there are some browsers like it doesn't support Arial, but it supports Comic Sans MS family. So in that situation we have to give different faces so that whatever the browser supports the font, it should be adjusted with the website. Suppose I have wrote this sentence, this is first, and here I will give the size attribute as 6, and let me write the face attribute value Comic Sans MS. So let's open this in live server. You can see there is a change in the font style, but if I write here Cosmic instead of Comic, then the browser doesn't support this font, so it will go for default style. See, this is first. So it means if the browser doesn't support the font family, then it will go for default. But suppose if you write Wild West family, then if you open this in live server, this first has been changed from default to Wild West font family. So it means we can give multiple values to the face. Okay, you can give more than one value to the face attribute. If the browser supports this one, then the font of the whole content will be changed to Comic Sans font family. If the browser doesn't support then it will go for the next one. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video by learning so many great things. Make sure that you subscribe our channel and press the notification bell to get updated with our content, and make sure that to join our Instagram channel. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye.